Hello, my little learners. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all and Learnsmart science tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about birds around us. Every day, we see many birds around us. Pigeons, crows, parrots, and sparrows are a few birds that we see around us. Aren't we all amazed how the birds fly? We all have a dream of flying like a bird, but we can't. Have you ever wondered why? What is so special in birds which makes them fly? So, let's start today's topic and learn body of a bird. See this picture carefully. Head, eye, beak, wings, body, tail, feather, legs. The body of a bird is specially designed to fly. It is shaped like a boat. Example, narrow at the ends and broad in the middle. A boat-shaped body is also streamlined body. This helps it to fly. It has no ears like us. It instead has a tiny spots. There are two main movements of a bird's wing that help them to take off and land. Upstroke. Wings move upward and backward. Downstroke. Wings move downward and forward. Parts of a bird. Beaks. See how many types of beaks: journalist, insect catching, nectar feeding, fruit eating, chiseling, deep knitting, surface skimming, probing, etc. etc. Birds do not have a teeth. They have a beak that help them catch their food and eat it. Different birds have a different types of beaks. The type of a beak depends on the feeding habit of the bird. Short and hard beak. Some birds like sparrows, peacocks and pigeons have short, hard and pointed beaks. These help them to eat seeds and grains. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Some birds like owls, eagles and vultures have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. It helps them to tear flesh animals like rat, frog, snake and squirrel. Curved beak. This type of a beak helps in cracking nuts and hard fruits. You can see this type of beak in parrots. It also them to climb trees. Strong and chisel shaped beaks. Some birds such as a woodpecker, hopi have strong and chisel shaped beaks. This helps them to poke holes into the bark of trees and pick out insects to eat. Long and pointed beaks. Birds like the hummingbird and sunbird have long and pointed beaks. This beak helps them to suck nectar from flowers. Spoon-shaped beak. Birds like spoonbill have a spoon-shaped beak. It helps the bird to gather tadpoles and small water animals from the pond water and other water bodies. Types of birds. On the basis of flight, on the basis of their feet and claws. On the basis of flight. Flying bird. Most birds can fly. They fly to hunt for food, escape from enemies and bad weather conditions. Flightless birds. There are some birds that cannot fly. They have specially developed features that help them to live on land or water. Large body weight. Birds like ostrich and emu can run very fast. Penguins can swim very well. Kiwis have a very good sense of smell and can find under worms also. Beaks and claws. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes each. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect themselves, and to sit on the tree. Different birds have a different types of feet and claws. Perching birds. Crow, pigeon, sparrow and myna use their feet to hold onto tree, branch and wires. This is called perching. They use 3 front toes as we use our fingers and the back toes as we use our thumb. Swimming birds or aquatic birds. Duck, goose and swan have a webbed feet. To swim in water, the 3 front toes have a skin-like web between them. There is 1 toes at the back. The webbed feet help them pedal and push water while swimming. Penguin is another flightless bird, but it does not run, it swims. Climbing birds. Birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes positioning downwards. They use their toes to climb up and hold the branches of trees. Scratching birds. Birds like hen, peacock and quail use their feet to dig the ground in search of buried seeds and insects. They too have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back with sharp claws. Flesh-eating birds. Eagle, hawk and owl have sharp and curved claws. These are called talons. They grab their prey like rats and snakes with these talons. Nesting habits of animals. Birds make nests when they have to lay eggs. Nests keep them and their young ones safe from enemies and bad weather. They use small twigs, dry leaves, wool, feathers, hair and cotton to make nests. Eagles and vultures use twigs to make their nests. They arrange these twigs in the shape of shallow cup. Eagles makes nest on high rocks. These are called eyries. Penguins live in very cold places. They cannot find twigs, grass, etc. in such places. So they collect some pebbles and stones and use them to make their nest. Owl and woodpecker build their nest inside trees. The woodpecker packs a tree trunk using its beak to make a hole in it. Weaver birds make a beautiful nest with twigs and grass. The entrance is through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. Migration of birds. Migration means going to one place to another place. Some birds fly from one place to another in search of suitable climate and food. They move from a cold place to a warm place. After some time, the birds return the original place for nesting and breeding. Important facts. The body of a bird is light in a weight due to hollow bones, and this helps it to fly. The smallest bird in the world is hummingbird. Ostrich has the largest eye amongst all land animals. A cuckoo does not make its nest. It lays eggs in a crow's nest, and the crows look after the baby cuckoos. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope you all understand the topic. Now it's your turn. If you like and enjoy our tutorial, so comment it fast. You also connect with us, so join our Facebook page, Instagram account and Telegram account while links provided in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Learnsmart channel. We will meet to you soon in our next tutorial. Don't forget to press bell icon. Take care of yours and your near and